Hi, I want to show you a method how you can scrape LinkedIn posts and LinkedIn comments for research purposes forever for free and in full privacy. So I will show you the full stack and the sample automation, which is not an actual use case, but showcases the method you can use. So this might be very interesting for people who are building automations and who have to bear the cost of APIs and external platforms and to face limitations on LinkedIn APIs while they are developing their automation. So for final deployment, maybe you want to use such a solution if your customers want full privacy, or maybe you want to switch to the normal APIs. But for sure, while you are developing, I don't see a better option than this. So let me show you how it works. First, I will start with the LinkedIn extension that you would need to provide REST APIs to your automation. In our case, it's an n8n automation, but you can use it in any automation that you like. So the extension is called LinkedIn Gateway. It's built by me, and it's a very, very simple concept. So it will you will install the extension in your browser. It will log in with your credentials using OAuth, and it will create a pipe from which you can call via APIs the functions to scrape LinkedIn feed, in our case, a LinkedIn comment. It has a status, for instance, the LinkedIn status. Now I see we are not logged in, so you have to press login in this case to make sure in this browser you have a session. After you have this session and the extension sees that you are connected, you don't have to keep this window open. Same with this one, so we can clear up. And also here you can see if the API is available, so it can already be used in automation. So this is your personal API. And then you have to create a key. So you will have this script to generate a new key, and you will see this key only once. So if you leave this screen, you will not see this key anymore. So I will copy it now, and I will go to the API tester and test the API key. This is the function to request LinkedIn feed. So let's take from the first one to, let's say, we take 3 latest posts on our feed, and then we send the request to API. And this step is also necessary, so you will see how the request look like, and you will know how to implement it in your automation, and you also see how the response looks like. Then you will go in your local automation in our case. So I have deployed n8n on my own server, and this allows me to run infinite runs of the automation. So I'm not limited by the n8n platform and the monthly quota. And then this is a very simple automation, which is just requesting the post from the feed, then give the post to an AI agent, which will look if there is anything interesting from my perspective in those posts. And if he sees a subject that I'm interested in, it will also scrape the comments and the people who comment. So we can test this part. I have to replace the key here. This is the old key. This is the new key that we generated. And I can leave the parameters we just create to post. And we can test it. And here we go. We have 2 posts here. Then we can test the rest of the flow. You will see that the OpenAI type of chat model we are using, it's actually our local model, which is a Mistral small, which I run in LM Studio. So if now I run the agent, you will see here in the logs that the requests are going local. They are not going to OpenAI. So again, this is completely free. So if I run the agent, it will, you see it will run here. See, it sends the request there. And if you find something interesting, it will run the tool. I guess it didn't. So we can run the tool manually just to see how we scrape the comments. But before that, we have to replace the API key here and run it. And here we go. We scrape comments with names, with the title and the comment itself. So this is the whole demo of the workflow, but you can use the same principle for much more complex automation. So let me know what you think about it, and maybe you suggest more functions to be added in the scraper part. Okay, so thanks for watching. See you in the next.